Hello backers, and basically a warm welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. Okay, so as Burns night is coming up, we are today going to make a deep fried Mars bar, and oh, and by the way, Happy New Year to all you. Okay, so the ingredients you need are a cup of plain flour, half a cup of corn flour, beer or milk. I'm going to use beer because neither me or Dan and drink it, and I don't like milk, and a pinch of bicarbonate of baking soda, and of course a Mars bar, and some cooking oil which is already in a deep fat fryer. Right, okay, put all powder ingredients in the mixing bowl, and I'm going to start mixing up until I get a thin cream consistency of batter. This is how I'm going to make the beer batter. And I forgot to mention that the beer is in there. I've mixed it in there as well. You need to keep going until it's got this cream consistency. Cream consistency. Right, so I'm dipping the Mars bar in until it's all coated in this batter. Okay, so I'm going to lower it gently in. Okay, so here it is drying away. Okay, and what you want to do is keep frying it and turning it around until it's golden. A little bit of batter's falling off it, but never mind. Right, okay, so this is how it should, how I think it should turn out, nice and golden. Okay, and also of course before you when you finish, don't forget to turn the fryer off, and also if there's any kids watching, please do make sure you've got a grown up with you to do this recipe, you please. Okay, so this would go nicely with ice cream. Okay, so I owe my brother Dan a tub of ice cream. I'm gonna buy him another tub because I used some of his. Okay, so that wraps that up. Okay, so as I said before, I owe my little brother another tub of Carter ice cream because that was his ice cream I used. So as always, please do subscribe or comment, and also check out the descriptions below, and also turn on notifications, and also YouTube have been taking subscribers off YouTubers at the minute, so please do make sure you're still subscribed to me, and if you're not, please do resubscribe if you're not subscribed. Also, if you want to learn to cook and have autism, or you want some recipes, or just wanting to learn to cook, do remember that I have your back. And again, a very happy new year.